My name is Padma Koppula. This farm is around 11.5 acres of the land. In the year 1997 we purchased this land. After that 1 year it was like how we can go about it. It's dry land, what can we do, and all other things. We had some discussion. And then before that when Narsanna and myself, we used to work in one of the organization. There Narsanna has designed the permaculture farm. So like in that farm, many farmers, they used to ask the question like, if you are you a farmers, and is it possible permaculture will be practically implementable or not? That's what always farmers used to have ask a question. Like during that time, Narsanna and myself, we decided, why can't we buy a piece of land here? Why can't we start? So whatever the little savings we have, like the community has shown this land. So it is like barren and wasteland is there. It's in between the forest, and nobody used to come in this area. Then they introduced us, and with the little price, and we purchased this land. Then started like with the plantation.
So this is the ready for the indicator of the ready for ripening. It cracks the pinkish inside in the cell. The segments become a pinkish.
It's like 11.25 acres. First we started with the some rainwater harvesting structures. We spent around 6,000 rupees by that time. With the 6,000 rupees, first we did the contours, entire the land, and then rainwater harvesting has taken place. Then a part of the 2 acres of the land, we started doing the plantation. It's a dry land agriculture, I can say. We have only mulching. So always all the fruit plants, we have one nursing plant with the glycidia and other things. Until the rainy season we planted, and the winter season it was so good, and we mulched with so much of biomass with the glycidia and the coconut coir and whatever the grasses, dry grasses are available, we mulched with that. And pitchery irrigation we started, you know about the pot. And in the summer season we can give little bit of moisture to the plant. It's a life-saving irrigation, we can say.
The principles are very, very strong in permaculture, like your no waste, don't create waste, catch and store. The energy is one of the very, very important aspect, and your zone appropriate scale, and you are looking at the things are very, very important. When you are living around this, you apply those principles to do what work you are doing is. What you see in the permaculture, it is these principles can be applied anywhere in this world.
Color of soil will tells you what content it has. Carbon, nitrogen, fully perfect. So but they are talking about this kind of thing. You keep soil as it is, you add boron, zinc and sulfur and NPK or whatever it is. Wrong. You have to bring this stage. This is your responsibility. This is capable, but this is cannot. It will deteriorate the situation of soil profile and entire microorganisms here. There's nothing is to eat much. Did you see that? Here, the roots are very active. The color has been changed. More microbial activity. It's a fully.
Look at all millets, and the pigeon pea and rosella and white and hibiscus, 3 varieties we have. There's a chaya, there's a mango nearby, and this is the circle I converted into the poop pit nicely. Poop pit. You can just cover with the mulch. Happily around it the lemongrass I planted, papaya, and your banana, and your coconut, and the moringa. This is a cucumber. Is the biggest, and is almost all you can eat them, and lot of pickle you can make out, and you cut it and keep it for pickle also you can use it, and curry also, and one of the highest nice sour when you make it, and the seed is indigenous, you can multiply any number, harvest the seeds. nicely the animals. Did you see the squirrels? They did it. They spread. A lot of seeds have fallen here, and your Karela you can see here. They are ready to look at. The inside the seeds. So lot of diversity is your bottle gourd and your curry leaf and your tulsi. These are edible, and one of the leaf is one of the best. Osimum. Fantastic. This is my citrus medica, one of the very good pickle, and is a very medicinal plant, lot of demand for that. But my community will come and take it for the ulcers and your kidney stones. Those who have, they use this juice. This is a water harvesting structure. This is called percolation tank. Whatever the water coming from the different places, I am directed into this PT. So the water will be stagnated here and store more water. The percolation takes place into the ground, and then the water is the moisture and the water is taken by the hold by trees. After reaching saturation, they release water into the low-lying areas. That's through capillary action and your gravity, where my well is getting recharged. Where this water will flow, you have to look at the areas. You make a contour bunds. You diverted the water. Water will stagnate. It will recharge your groundwater. There is a myth of most of the people think the permaculture is a word which is very difficult to understand. Nothing is a very simple word. Permanent agriculture is based on a long-term vision you have to work with. Definitely you will achieve the goal of what you wanted to do with this activity, this purpose of this job, what you are doing, agriculture or forestry or water harvesting. You must act, you must interact with the life, not dead, not the lifeless. The life will give birth to another life. I think the Aranya is striving to do this kind of activities with the communities in larger scale. We wanted to do teaching, advocacy, practical level, farm level, with women, with seeds and with water harvesting. A lot of other aspects we are looking at. If you want to live, I think you have to work with nature. You learn that there's a guiding principle is a forest, and your nature that will guide what to do. You can work very close to nature, totally 100% not possible, but you can make it very closer to the nature. That is where exactly the permaculture talks about.
Always people will say, is it practically implementable? Yes, this is the live example. More than this, what we can do.